Flavor
Hi,
Island.
dear viewers.
Today I am making biryani for a potluck party.
I take this opportunity to tell my viewers how to make a large batch of biryani easily. Start off with a huge pot, as we are trying to make biryani for 15 to 20 people. If you do not have one, then it's a good idea to get one. Ingredients list: onions 4-5, chicken 6 pounds to chicken 16 pieces EAC, tomatoes 4 to 6, yogurt 1 cup, salt, pepper, turmeric, cumin seeds, cloves, black cardamom, star anise, cinnamon. Slice the onions. For each 1 cup of rice, add 1 cooking spoon of cooking oil, and for each chicken, 1 spoon will be good. Here the oil, add onions. Sauté until light golden brown. Add washed chicken pieces. Along with ginger and garlic paste to tablespoons each. Stir fry until chicken changes color. Add whole spices while stirring. Add salt to teaspoon for the chickens. Turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons. Chili powder to teaspoon. Whole spices, 1 teaspoon each. Biryani masala powder, 1 packet. Stir, fry and cook for few minutes. Add chopped tomatoes. And cook covered on low flame. Uncover after 20 minutes. Add yogurt and cook uncovered. Chicken should have some gravy, about 3 cups at least. Chicken is ready. I have got some fresh mint here.
fresh cilantro and some green chilies. I will wash and chop them. Add chilies, cilantro and mint leaves to the biryani. Add slices tomato. I am making 7 cup of rice. I have previously washed rice and soaked for 20 minutes. In a deep stock pot, add 3-liter water. Add salt 3.5 tablespoons for 7 cups of rice. Remember, this water will be drained, so rice will not soak up all the salt. Add sliced lemon. This will prevent rice from breaking or sticking. I ended up using 2 pots to boil rice. Drain the rice in a colander, remove the water. I will have to use 2 pots for dum, as rice needs space to boil. I shifted some of the chicken and gravy in the second pot. I added half of the drained rice to 1 pot, and the remaining in the other pot. Mix some orange or yellow food, a little bit of milk. Pour over the rice. Sprinkle biryani masala. Few drops of kura water. Cover and cook first 5 minutes on high flame and 15 minutes on lowest flame. Turn off the stove after 20 minutes. Open after few minutes. Mix the biryani. Serve hot with raita. If you like my easy recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching Flavor Island.